All-wheel drive.
Before you
Let's
leave.
start again.
What's the beginning of it?
I love that song.
I know that's what always gets me. I can't think of the other words right now. What is it?
Yeah, she's like, blah, blah, blah. And right now, something is getting wrong. Right now,
It's probably buying her some pretty little drink 'cause she can't shoot whiskey.
right now.
Probably dabbing on $3 worth of that bathroom cologne. Oh, and he'll know that I dug my key to the side of his pretty little souped-up four-wheel drive. Wrote my name into his leather seat. I took a little bit, stuck it to both headlights, slashed a hole in all 4 times. Maybe next time he thinks before he cheats.
Just make up. Whoa. Oh my God! I thought you were sitting right on there.
Blah, 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 blah.
Good order, check it.
I just don't know, but that's
Make up some words.
It's a great song.
I love it.
No. So funny. They both work here. Yeah.
I'm really thirsty and I have to go to the bathroom.
There's lots of toilets all around you. Run around and choose your favorite.
I love her. She's so
Water.